Let's see how the admin or the site owner gets to create token packages from the backend. So there is an option that says token packages, and clicking on create new can enter the name of the token package, say premium package or a basic package, and it depends upon the site owner to choose the naming convention and the description of the package, and he can determine the price of that particular token package in dollars in amount, and the equal amount of tokens for this particular price can be also given by the site owner here, and the status active to activate this particular token package so that it will be displayed in the front end, and as well as the ordering to set the priority of this particular package. Say if it's a basic package to be set at high priority, or a premium package to be set, etc. And this is how the admin can create the token package. He can look on the listing to view the token packages created. You can see the premium tire or silver tire or bronze tire. So the naming conventions are like this. And you can see the price of each token package and the amount of tokens with respective to the price of each token packages, and the ordering and the status and the created at date. So the admin can go anytime and then update the particular token package. So these packages will be displayed in the front end for the user, so they can purchase this particular token package, so that they can pay for the products, they can tip the models or the galleries, they can unlock all the tokens, like especially like any pay-per-view video or a pay-per-view gallery, or it's going to be a tip feature, or everywhere wherever the tokens are used, the users can use this with the respective models, in the respective models transactions. And they can also tip each model with the tokens. So this way the users can purchase in the token packages. And there is an option in the settings where the site owner can choose the conversion rate. So the token conversion rate zero point 0.1 means that $1 is equal to 10 tokens. So here the site owner can set the token conversion rate. So based on that, um, so if it is $2, it's going to be 20 tokens. So based on the conversion rate, the token amounts are calculated. So this way, the admin can manage the token packages from the backend.